Hello, thanks very much for watching this video. My name is Yogesh Padsala and I'll quickly show you how you can set up Mailgun to send and receive email. Now, Mailgun do not support POP or IMAP server, so you need to have a way around, to use sending and receiving emails using Mailgun. Alright, so let's quickly go through how you can set up your custom domain email address. First of all, you need to have your own domain registered. For instance, this is my GoDaddy. Now your registrar may be any registrar that you have for your domain. Then you need to go to their domain settings and then you need to go to the DNS section. Now every domain providers have various names and other sections, but the one you are looking for is DNS, domain name server, domain name system, whatever it calls. I'll use this for testing purpose, so let's go to the DNS management. So this is the DNS management. And first thing that you need to do in Mailgun is to go to the domain and add a new domain. Errorsolver.com. Don't worry about this warning. Add a domain. Once you add the domain, then second step is, see, they give the tutorial for various domain providers, GoDaddy, Namecheap, and the first thing that you need to do is add this record into your DNS system. So let's copy this value, and the host name is errorsolver.com, the domain name. So here we need to add a txt record. So add txt. Here host, you can put the whole domain name errorsolver.com, or you can put at means your domain name, and you can put a value as which you got from here, yeah? And then just save. So it will be saved. We also want to do this one as well. In here you need only this, the subdomain part. You see this k1 domain key .errorsolver.com will automatically taken up, so we just want first part before this dot. Okay, make sure that there is no any dot. So before this dot, copy this. We need to add a txt record for that too. Put the host. See, there is no dot. Okay, and put this one as a value. Copy, and txt value is this, and save. Now depending on your DNS, it may take a while. It say up to 24 hours, but usually it happens very quick. If you can go to continue domain overview, and if you can check DNS record now, but see, it's done. So it's a green tick, means it's already done. Sometimes it take time for you depending on your DNS, but just don't panic, it will be done. Alright, so that's done. Now since we also want to receive email, so we need to add this mx record as well, now by default there will be some kind of mx record here by default, which you need to delete. You can click here and delete, because there shouldn't be a different mx record for different server. So we want to set up Mailgun, so there should be only one mx record for Mailgun, so you need to delete all the mx record and then add these two entries. Copy. Okay, so add, select mx, same thing, put at as a host, means it's the whole domain name, and point to this priority 10. See this one, priority 10, and then save. Get the another one as well, same thing. At. If your DNS does not support at, then you need to put the whole domain name, priority 10, and save. It's done. All right, so now let's check. Again, it may take time, so it doesn't have to be happen instantly. See, it's happening here instantly, but it may take some time. This is an optional. We just don't want to worry about this because this is only to track, open, click. If you want to do this, then just you need to add a cname record. Add cname. See this cname, this record, and you put this by. It does not require here, so we just don't worry about that. Once you set up all this, then now you are good to go. Your domain is activated, and you can use these SMTP details, which is hostname or SMTP server, which is used to send emails, and this is your login username, and this is your default login password. And if you are using any kind of application, then this is the API key. But don't worry about it. Mostly you need these three things: host, username, and password. And you can set up any client to send email via Mailgun. Now Mailgun takes all this SPF and DKIM and everything, so you don't have to worry about the deliverability, and you're good to go. So in next video we'll be talking about how you can configure other clients, like for instance, if you want to use Gmail to send and receive emails via Mailgun, then how you can configure client, Gmail, Hotmail, or Outlook, or any other client. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.